And this is summer in New England. My little family resort. The deck. Let's go down. I got my little area over here for my gas grill. A peach tree, apple tree. And this is where we like to be. Got the pool. Got the floats. You got the chairs. And that is an umbrella. That's 12 feet, 14 feet. Burn up some scraps in the yard. Fire pit. That's a fire. And there's my new project. Hi, Winnie. Zozo, come here. Come here, Zoe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi, Oreo. Hi. How are you? So this is the new Cabana. Ooh, God of Thunder. So it's still got some work to do, but I'm gonna finish the ceiling. I got one panel missing. I gotta put the top on it, and then I'm gonna finish the interior with like shiplap, or I'm not sure what I'm gonna do in here, but it'll be a finished ceiling. In this sectional, I built out of 2x4s. I know, right? It's a little cheesy. It sits weird though. I did something wrong. I made a little table. So it's getting there. A lot of details to be done for the new Cabana. Not sure what they're gonna be. Maybe a fireplace, a little bar, different seating. That's the roof. I like it. This right here, it's a pole. You can do anything you want with this pole. Some people like to fight with it. All right, there we go. I like it. It's New England for you right there. Beautiful night. It's like 78 degrees, no humidity. Father's Day tomorrow. My daughter's home. Surprised me. It's unbelievable. Very blessed. Very blessed. All right. Fire.